people, they wear makeup, they be looking like a totally different person. You be like, who was that? Hello my chat partners, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Dion. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. So I just saw a wasp. So today guys, it's Sunday and I'm getting ready to go run some errands, and I decided to take you guys along with me. Just take you guys along with me on this hot Sunday. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, I just got in from running some errands. I went by the mall and walked around, and let me just say, I would say 70% of the stores was closed, and the stores that were open, it was a line because only so many people go out in the store. And I wasn't even feeling it, so I just did a little walk around the mall. So that was something good to do because it's raining outside and the place is hot. And then went to Publix, so I'm gonna do a little brief grocery haul for you guys right quick. Okay, from Publix, got some sweet peppers, granola bars, and guys, I love these granola bars. These are bomb. Try them. Trust me, you will like them. Got a pineapple. And let me just say, Publix have some good pineapples. Like a lot of stores you go to, you get a fresh pineapple and keep it for a few days and cut it up. They don't be tasting all that good. But Publix, their pineapples are really good and they're really sweet. Got some eggplants. Got some lentil vegetable soup. Apples. Tomatoes. Blackberries. Strawberries. Got some blueberries. Got some blood oranges. Bananas, almond milk, hummus. I got 2 things of hummus. I got the classic and the roasted red pepper hummus. Pistachios, no shell. Just like Holy Moly Donut said, you can cash a check, no ID required. You can cash a check, no ID required. Got some dark chocolate, pomegranate, watermelon. Here's another thing of lentil soup. Got some vegan sausages, avocado. Got some extra noodle Lipton soup. Guys, I really like this soup. Like, I make this a lot of times for my lunch. It's really good. I really, really like it. Got some whole grain brown rice. Got some chocolate rice cakes, pretzels for my hummus. Got some waters, spinach and baby kale. Got some green noodles, got some bread, got some tomato, okra, and corn. That's really good, like over rice. Got some wraps. Got this mix here. It's a carnival nut mix, and it has cashews, pecans, popcorn with like drizzles of chocolate on it. It looks good, and it says limited edition, so I want to try it. And I got some buffalo wing pretzels. Yep, it's my little grocery haul, guys. Yep. Hey guys, so I'm back. So yeah, what I'm ready to do now is just go ahead on and wrap up this video, clean my face off and take me a shower and wind down for the night. Guys, I haven't been feeling my best today. I'm on my monthly, I have a headache, and then I got a toothache from out of nowhere. My tooth been bothering me off and on all day. So yeah. I've been going through today, to say the least. Clean my face off with these wipes. And these wipes are some Amway wipes. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's just a simple Sunday. And I brought you guys along. I went to the mall, I went grocery shopping, and for the most part, I laid down and got me some rest. My boyfriend, he made me some dinner. I had some chicken vegan patties and some sweet potato fries because I just haven't been feeling good at all today. I also updated my planner for YouTube. I had to write some information down. Guys, comment down below if you know of an eye cream that I can use, because these dark circles up under my eye, they look like running mascara. It look like I had mascara on. I've just been rubbing my eyes all day. It look like it's been running, but that's still not the case. So yeah, comment down below of a good eye cream that you recommend that I can use. Yeah, so. I'm almost done with this. Oh, I got a package I need to open right quick. Let me open it up while I'm talking to you guys. Okay guys, I'm back. So in a previous video, I had did like a little haul of some items I had ordered online. And this package here actually came. I had ordered it at the same time. And this just came the other day. So I wanted to open it on camera for you guys. So let me open it up right quick. And it's just something I ordered. I saw Sephora was having a sale. And this was only $20, and it was something I wanted to try because I'm always reading about it. It's the Brazilian Bum Cream. Ordered this and it was only $20, and it's a small. It's not the $45 one, because I was like, I didn't want to spend $45 on something I've never smelled before or used. So I wanted to try it. It was only $20. I was like, let me just order it and try it and just see what it's all about, see what the hype is all about, because I see a lot of people buying it and talking about it. Everybody be talking about it smells so good, so I'm gonna just see now. Check it out and see. Oh, okay. I mean, it smell like coconuts a little bit. This is what it looked like in the thing. I guess that's all it on the top. I guess when you wear it for a while or something, you just rub it on my hand. See what my hand felt like. Okay. I mean, it smells like coconuts a little bit. Okay. I mean, my hand feels soft. I don't know. I guess it's just cream infused with all powerful guarana extract. I don't know, but I'm glad I spent $20 on this and not the $45 one, because a lot of people be getting it and talking about it all the time. So I was like, let me just try to see what everybody's talking about. So yeah, it was only $20. Mini. That's what I got, the mini. Okay. Get 15% off when you open up a Sephora card. I don't buy makeup and stuff like this, so I don't need this coupon. And the makeup I do use, as you guys know, here, this is the only makeup I use. BB cream, right here, Black Radiance BB cream. I used some of this earlier when I did my makeup this morning. Yep, this is what I use. I either use the color Cafe or the color Honey Amber. That's it. And I got this little concealer from Avon. This concealer I got from Avon. It's called Extra Lasting. And I got the color Deep. So that's what I use up under my eye. I use this Baby Skin primer through Maybelline. I use this primer. Charlie Bible eyeshadow palette. Let's see, I use this mascara, the Essence Lash Princess. I use this mascara. I also have LA Girl Pro Concealer. I use this sometimes. It's basically like if I'm going out or something. I still use all this stuff, but I use this around this area of my mouth right here. And I might put some up under my eye and put them on them dark spots I got on my face to cover it up a little bit. And then I'll put the BB cream over it. And then I also got this bronzer, White Shady Beaches. I also use this bronzer too, but I use this like a pressed powder. That's it. I did order this foundation here from Avon. It was like a couple of months ago. I haven't used it yet, but I did order this Avon Magic Wand, and I ordered it in the color Cafe Latte, and this is what it looks like. It's a stick, and it's just makeup, and you just put it on your face and blend it in. But like I said, I haven't used it yet, so messing it up. Like I said, I haven't used it yet, but when I do use it, I do a makeup tutorial on it. But yeah, y'all, this is my makeup collection. Just simple. BB cream. This my primer right here. Yep, this is my little makeup collection right here, y'all. This right here. And my makeup probably gonna cost $20. If that, maybe 25 tops is what I'm gonna give it. 25 tops. But yeah, this is my little makeup collection. Sweet and simple right here. I do have some. Let me show y'all these lip glosses I got too. The Essence Shine. This is in the color Bright. And I have the color Watch Me Do. This one here. So yeah, that's it. And these the brushes I use. Let me show you guys my makeup brushes. It's just a regular Beauty Accents blending brush. This, my daughter gave me this. And I use this, it's an e.l.f. blush brush. And I have the Wet n Wild eyeshadow brushes. I have 2 of these. That's it. This is it. This is what I have. This is my makeup collection. My makeup and my brushes that I use. I don't have all those other brushes like a lot of people. This little thing right here, this little blender. I used this today for the first time. And what I do is I just keep them in this little pouch right here. And I buy a big bag of it. It's the Up and Up brand. It's Cosmetic Wedges. Application Blending Removal. And it's the Up and Up brand. And this is what I use to blend my makeup out. So yeah, I just put them right here in this little bag right here. This kit my daughter brought me. She brought me some makeup brushes. And what I need to do is I need to use them. This is the kit my daughter had bought me right here. What I need to do is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a DIY of a makeup brush holder that I'm going to use. But yeah, guys, that's my little makeup collection. Nothing special, just simple. I've never even used contour or anything like that, so I don't even know how to do that type of stuff. But it's okay, and I'm 42. But you know, maybe I might dabble a little bit more into makeup. I don't know. It just depends. I like natural look. I like looking like myself. Because some people, they wear makeup, they be looking like a totally different person. You be like, who was that? When I put BB cream on, I look like the same person. I'm going to take me a shower and get myself together for the night and wind down and just relax the rest of the night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Always remember, you guys are great. Take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys. Bye.